Losar Tashidele to the Tibetan community of New York and New Jersey. My name is Aftab Karma Purval, and I'm the newly elected mayor of Cincinnati. And I'm proudly a Tibetan. Our election was a historic moment for our Tibetan community, as I'm the first Asian American mayor elected in the Midwest and the first Tibetan American elected mayor in the entire country. My mother is a Tibetan refugee, and despite long odds, she survived, made it to this country, and provided a life for myself and my brother. But my mother's story, no matter how heroic, is not unique. Our family's refugee story is just a small part of the incredible impact our Tibetan diaspora has had, not only on this country, but on the entire world. Despite historic obstacles, our community has not only persevered, but excelled in sharing our special culture and religion. It is my hope that this new year of the Water Tiger is filled with peace and prosperity. Have a happy new year, and Losar Tashidele.